This is a cabin tour for Celebrity Xcel Solo Room 6136. This is the entrance. On the left hand side you have a mirror. On the right hand side you have a closet which has 2 levels of hanging space at the top for longer items and at the bottom for shorter. I don't know how well that would work for a longer cruise. I do have a 2-week Norway cruise in 2027, and as it's cooler weather I will need more stuff, so we will see how that goes. On the right hand side here we have like a little area which they normally have snacks and stuff that you have to pay for. This is the first time they've actually left the chips out, which is an extra charge, but I thought they would have had stuff out earlier. There's also no pricing listed. There's also been no room service like leaflet that they normally have for a cruise. Down here we have the mini fridge. I never take anything from there because it's always too expensive. On this side you have a little safe which can't fit anything like a laptop in. It basically fits like wallets, passports and stuff, and 2 shelves. The shelves had a tote bag and an umbrella. The tote bag I've been using, the umbrella I moved to the side so I could use the storage space. Over here you have another mirror with your desk. The phone here, the phone does not include a USB like the other Edge class ships, because that's one thing that's come up. People were using the phones for charging overnight. That's not an option on this. The charging box over here has the regular US, European and USB-C charging stations. You have 3 drawers down here for things to store in. This is the solo bed. The difference between this and the regular one is if you're a solo person and like to sleep in the middle, you're not going to sink down because it's one big bed versus 2 beds put together. Over here is the infinite veranda, which works exactly the same as the other Edge class ships. And people always say, oh well, what if they lock the window? The only time it's been locked was when we were leaving from Fort Lauderdale. They had it closed. Over here we have more charging, USB-C and US plugs, and 3 little cubby spaces down here for storage. Now over to the bathroom. There is no real changes in the bathroom compared to the other solo rooms. You basically have like storage space below. You have your shower over here, which is very spacious, and you have shelving space to store things.